pie. Let's play with balls. Here's some red balls, in the triangle glass. Wherever I move the triangle glass, the balls inside it would follow and roll. It's because the triangle glass is upside down. Can you guess how many there are? Watch this video until the end and you will know how many red balls there are. Now some blue balls, in the square glass move around the triangle glass. The square glass is also upside down, so the blue balls will follow it and roll. Do you know how many blue balls are in the square glass? Wait and see until the end. I will lift the glass, so that the balls come out and can be counted easily. Let's count the red and blue balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, there are 12 red balls and 18 blue balls. Now you know the number of red and blue balls. See you again in the next challenge.